In this video, I want to talk about how you can get level 2 on Webull. Now, I want to show you how you can get level 2 on your trading account. So if you want to do options, level 2 instead of level 1. And I'll also just talk about how you can get the data research and stuff for your level 2 Webull account. So if you just want to have your Webull level 2, what you need to do is you need to pay for Webull Premium. Once you've done this, you're automatically gonna be level 2, and then that's about it. Now, if you wanna level up, let's say your options trading, let's say you're only level 1 in options trading, what you have to do is you wanna come here and request for the approval. So you wanna find your account, go into options trading, or this can also be stock trading, and then you just wanna click on upgrade if you're on level 1, and then they can check. You're gonna fill out a questionnaire, and then they can upgrade you to level 2 if you have the right answers. So that is basically how that works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.